Hey Cortana, tell me a joke.
Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they'd be bagels.
Haha, very funny, Cortana. Uh, this is Cortana, which is Microsoft's virtual assistant, which is built into Windows 10. And it's pretty exciting to have a voice recognition program available now on Windows through the desktop platform. We've gotten really used to using things like OK Google and Siri on our mobile devices. And now Microsoft's bringing it to the desktop operating system through Cortana here. And she's really pretty good. When you say, "Hey Cortana, hey Cortana, what's the weather like today?"
The forecast for tomorrow shows partly sunny skies with a high of 75 and a low of 52.
She's really pretty good about picking up on my voice when I'm wearing my headset here. I do have a little bit older laptop, and Microsoft says that, okay, this is not designed to pick up your voice, across the room or anything. And so Cortana doesn't work as well without having a headset or something on this particular laptop. But newer laptops especially should work pretty well with Cortana, and anything that's built for Windows 10 will have a sensitive enough microphone that this will work great. But right now, she seems to be doing pretty good. Every time I say, "Hey Cortana, hey Cortana, set reminder,
What do you want to be reminded about?
post this video when I get to the office tomorrow."
When should I remind you?
When I get to the office.
Sure thing. Remind you to post this video when I get to the office tomorrow. When you get to sheriff's residence. Is that right?
Yes.
Sure thing.
So I think what's happening here is that when I say the trigger words at the end of a sentence, she isn't picking it up that I'm differentiating and talking to her when I'm stopping talking to you guys. So that's pretty well okay. Now, I've also spent some time talking to her. I've probably been talking to her for about going on 2 hours now of talk time on Cortana, and that definitely helps her learn how to respond to your voice. There are a lot of cool reminders and settings and things that you can do with this. One of my favorites is you can say things like, "Hey Cortana, open Google Chrome."
Sure thing. Opening Google Chrome.
And it'll actually launch the program for you. So this is really cool because it's basically voice command search, the equivalent of the start menu search where you just type it and hit enter. Now you just say it and say OK, and it'll open a program for you. So as microphone technology improves especially, you'll be able to do things like open Spotify from across the room or whatever you want to do. And I'm pretty excited about that. You can see some of the things that you can do here in the tips. She'll do calculator, alarms, music, facts, tell you jokes, obviously, and a large selection of other things. And so it's pretty exciting. And there's definitely some bugs with it yet, especially if you haven't used a good headset and are gone through the voice training. But other than that, this is Cortana.